Welcome back. We are week 2 now. When is it another 4 more week? Is it midterm exam, right? So last week we tried to understand what is AIS and then the basic right? Introduction to AIS. So today I will try to recap. All right, I will try to recap back what we learned last week. So over here, I like to first bring our attention to this term over here back, right? Bring back our attention to what is information system. So information system, as we all know, is basically a system that provides information. All right, it collect information, collect what? Data, right? That's good. That's good. What is your name? Yes. Hi. Ayumi. All right, Ayumi. That's good, right? It means you listened to me last week. All right, or somehow you jive with it, right? Anyway, information system is you collect the data. In a simple term, what is information system is it actually collects data, process it, and then produce you the output. Okay. How come that guy sit at the back already? Long hair one, the cool guy, yeah. Yeah? You're supposed to sit down here, right? What is your name again? What is his name? Yeah? Yeah, your name. Asif. Yes, Asif. Don't want to sit down there already. It's okay, right? I don't know. I enjoy sitting behind last time also. I forced Arif to sit down here one. But thank you for sitting down here. Information system is again collect data, process the data to become the information, right? Very simple. Any problem with this one? So later on we bring in the word accounting information system, right? So what is accounting information system? It's the same as the information system that manage blah 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 the information, but focus on the financial, right? All the accountings means that you want to get the output of the system is the financial reports. Okay? Boleh? Clear? This is very basic, right? Very basic. Then I go down over here. The one that I did emphasize last week is what is data versus information, right? But by now, do you know what is data and what's information? But what is data? Anyone want to give a try? Are you with me? Data is just like a piece of fact, right? It's a piece of fact that by itself bring no meaning. It's okay. Data is a piece of fact, but that by itself brings no meaning. Okay? So maybe like this, all right? You have data on maybe a customer name. That's it, the name only, right? Only one customer, one name. Is it useful? Can you do anything with the customer name, only one name? You cannot do much thing, right? You can only stare at the customer name. Ayumi, is it? Right, your customer name is Ayumi, and then you just know that Ayumi is your customer. But only one customer name, you cannot do much, right? But information on the other hand is when, let's say a list of customer, right? Now, or a list of students. Now you have a list of students for the maybe tutorial slot 1, tutorial slot 2. Then you can do what? You can check whether which student go to which tutorial slot. It's like information that has been processed. Before that, basically, it's like one piece of data is one thing only, right? You only point at one point. But information is when you have a lot of similar data that can be combined to become a useful information. And then from this information, you can make decisions. So let's say maybe just now I have a list of one student. Now I have a list of the student. Then from this list of students, I can break them down to different tutorial slots, something like that. You understand? And very simple. It's like this. All right. Data is fact. Information is process of the data. It means it became something useful that you can. The word useful, right? Information can also be not useful. Okay, like for example, the information that you don't need. So you are studying accounting. Suddenly there's some information about brain neuron. It's out of your context, right? So this kind of information is not useful to you, right? So information also, there is useful information and the information that is not useful. So Rajin, right? Rajin? Yeah. I got something for you as well. So yeah. So please forgive me if I forgot. Later I forgot. That's just a snack for you. Thank you for volunteering yourself. I don't want to. Yeah. I promised you last week, right? I said that I will give you some reward, but not marks, right? Marks is the marks. I cannot temper the marks. What I can do is I can give you some reward outside of the marks. All right. Data versus information. Okay. Very simple. If you still cannot follow, you think like this. All right, you think like this. Data is the. Let me just change this. Data is the input, and then the information is the output. Okay. If you cannot follow, right, still have doubt or anything, very simple. Think of information as the input. Information as input? No. Data as input. Information as the output. Okay? And over here, as I tell you just now, not all information is valuable. Right? You have the information system. Okay, you have this accounting information system, right? It collects the data, process the data, and you get the output, which is the report, which is information. Okay, over here, the information, but not all information is good. Okay, I think they dropped this mic, so it's broken. So here, quality information. Do you know this quality information? Do you know the term quality information? You don't know the quality information is what? Yes. You know quality information. Okay, so start with the first one is?
Complete and accurate.
Complete and accurate, that's correct. See? Information must be complete and accurate. So if the information, all right, let's say you're doing what? Let's say you are. Let's go with this. Let's go with this class, okay? So if you don't have complete information, meaning to say that you only capture 90 students, but another 10 students you don't have, so it's not complete, right? Then only 90 students got the tutorial slots. Then another 10 don't have the tutorial slot. So what is this? This 90 students information is not quality. Okay, I think this thing is let me. Okay, no, don't touch it. Okay, complete, right? You want the information to be complete. If the information is not complete, it's not quality. In other words, it's rubbish. Okay? Right. If you don't have a complete information, it's rubbish if it's not complete. So it also must be accurate, right? It means the information must have everyone. All right, you cannot have like only 50 students, then another 50 students you don't have. Then it's not accurate. Complete, like complete, and then not accurate is like not accurate, you know. What's not accurate? It means it's not. Yeah, it's not. Help me with this accurate. It's not true. Yes, yes. Not updated. Yes, yes. Maybe like just now, like what happened in the class, right? The student that registered afterwards, so it's not updated. So yeah, not relevant. Relevant is another one. Relevant is another point over here. Correct? Relevant. Relevant or relevant? LA or LE? Yeah? Correct. Correct. You know my English also cacat one. Correct, right? But in the exam, if you write wrong, if I can understand, I will give you some marks, right? The information must also be relevant. All right, to make sure that it is quality information. For example, you want to divide the class into different tutorial slots for the class ACW281. But you get the class list of maybe ACW482. So it's not relevant, right? You got a different type of list. This is just giving you some example of how to make the information, how to judge whether the information is quality information or not. Okay. Then what some more? When you see relevant, right, automatically there will be the 2R, right? If you learn the financial reporting, you also know one. Relevant and no, irrelevant, right? Relevant and irrelevant. And then also relevant and reliable, right? You learn financial reporting, you know this one or not? Reliable. Yes, can you measure reliability? Let me see. Reliability. Cannot lah, my brain cannot work already. Cannot. How to spell? My brain cannot work already. RELIABLE. Okay, so you all are reliable, right? So I'm not reliable, giving you a wrong spelling. You got what I mean? Information also must be reliable to be quality, right? If the information is not reliable, it means it's not a quality information. All right, very simple as that. What's some more? Yeah, timeliness, correct. That's good. Timeliness, right? Is it correct, my spelling? Okay, need to catch me. Timeliness. So, for example, okay, if you take the bus, right? You know the public bus, the rapid bus, right? You want the information to be on time. So if you miss the bus, means the bus, no. Again, okay? If you get the information late, all right, the bus already gone. so you have to wait for another pass. So just now that information that you have is not quality, right? So to make sure that you have a quality information, you need to install the application. You know that, right? You need to install the application to check whether the bus location is at where. Then from there, you can get a quality information that is on time, right? That is correct on time. Okay. Are you with me? Okay, what's some more? Yeah? Flexible? Accessible, yes, correct. Accessible. Let me see over here is available or accessible. Let me see. Accessible. Is it correct? Accessible? I also try to write like in the exam. Okay. Accessible or available, right? Available to access, or the information must be there when you need it. Then only it is a quality information. Then what we have some more? Start with V. Yeah. Very, validity, more towards reliable, validity, relevant, validity, valid information. Valid information more towards to someone that can verify, right? Verifiable. Alright, the information can be verifiable or valid. Let's see over here. Verify. How do you spell this? V-E-R-I, very. Verifiable. Verify. F-I-A. Is it okay? Correct. Betul. I don't know, I didn't take English, you know. You all take English, right, this semester? Take English, 300. 400. 403, is it? No. 201. Oh, you need to take, depend on your band, right? Band 5, then you can skip, is it? Or band what?
No.
Oh, band 5 can take 4. Band 3 and 4? You need to start from 2, is it?
4 and 4.5.
There's 4.5.
4 and 4.5.
4 and 3?
Then 4 below, I think you have to start with 1.
Okay. Okay, I forgot. My math is band 3, by the way. Don't look at me. I am very bad student. I was a very bad student, and I am still a very bad student anyway. Okay, there's a list of it. Later I will share with you in the slides. Alright, you can have a look on this quality information. What I want to highlight to you is just try to imagine if the exam questions come out like this. A case scenario, and then telling you about some person, telling you about one of the person, and then giving you a scenario, asking you is the information he obtained is quality or not. Then you can cite one of these. You can write one of these following the scenario. It's very easy. If yeah.
Sorry to interrupt, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, reliable and verifiable is the same. Because like reliable is something that can trust on. Verifiable, we need someone that's authorized and make sure that it is like better than it can be used.
Reliable and verifiable.
Yeah.
Need to recheck again lah this one. But the thing is that reliable means if the information is valid, right? Reliable, you can rely. But is it verifiable? This one is more towards more than one person, can ensure that this is valid. Like when you see it, and then this information is good or not, then you pass to another person. Another person also say that this information have the same meaning. It can be verified from different views.
How can we identify that information is reliable?
How we can identify the information is reliable?
It also has to be verified by a trusted source, right?
Yes.
So if that's the case, then verifiable also is the same.
It came hand in hand. I think you can also put it that way. But anyway, there will be a list. I will give you the slides. You can see from the slide. Okay. Okay. Now that is all for last week. Then we talk about ERP system, right? So ERP system is an integrated database system that consists of different module or different processes, business processes. But what is business processes, right? Now, this is this week, right? Now we come to this week. Okay, let me just do one thing.